It's the RAM Man. In this video we're going to push the boundaries of VR CPU recommendations. I managed to pick up an Intel Core 2 Quad 8400. It came bundled with an Intel Socket 775 motherboard and 4GB of RAM. If you price out each component, $13 for the motherboard, $10 for the RAM, that leaves us with $3 for the CPU. I threw out the RAM and used a higher quality G.Skills DDR2 PC2 6400, clocked at 800 MHz. I also used a Gigabyte GeForce GTX 980 and Samsung 860 Pro SSD, which should alleviate any bottlenecks and help focus on purely CPU performance. So I'm just going to jump right into my thoughts about this CPU and what I experienced, and then I'll show off the build and actual gameplay footage, which I think is more useful than benchmarks, as it allows you to see the real reactions to the gameplay. Now, I did experience minor stuttering during intense scenes and some menu options. The CPU is sitting around 2.54 GHz the entire time, and this motherboard can't overclock, so we're just going to have to deal with the stock experience. I set the VR title settings to low and was mirroring the games while I played. I noticed that when I didn't have the Vive mirror running, the stuttering was almost non-existent. Overall, this wasn't the best VR experience, but it ran, and even though I did have to turn down some of the settings, it's still very impressive for a 10-year-old budget CPU. It gets me excited for future builds. Remember to leave a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what else you guys would like to see. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.